all clean.
Are you done washing the truck?
Yeah.
Okay, it looks really good. You did a great job.
And I got a boo-boo from doing it all the time.
Oh, no. What happened? A blister?
No.
A boo-boo. A cut?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Is it okay?
It's okay, but it do hurt.
Alright, where'd you wash?
I washed over here. It's right here.
Okay, watch out. So rinse it off. Oh, you guys got a lot more stone chips. Crazy winter. You need to rinse our hands?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, your feet are all wet. You okay?
Okay,
Did
but
I get 'em?
I need to dry them off.
We'll go run around. The sun's shining.
You want to come in with Mommy?
Towel.
You want to come in with Mommy?
Huh?
Get a towel?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.